Try to remove the battery. Wait a few minutes. Plug the battery back in and see if the phone will reboot. Or, bring your phone to a technician to replace your power switch. I think that's the only problem. Good luck. __. Else. Sounds like you have a defective battery. If you can use the phone normally with the charger plugged into it, that is more than likely the problem. Step 1 is order a new battery. If that don't solve the problem, take it into the store, but only if it's under warranty. Otherwise, shop for a new one.